everyone, I'm Tenzin here. Today we Tibetan gather here in Freedom Park, Bangalore. So we are seeking apologize from media or so-called social media influencer. We should apologize for the misinterpretation about His Holiness 14th Dalai Lama. Thank you.
Okay, so here my name is Tenzin Nawang, and presently, actually I'm from New York, but presently I'm in Bangalore. So it's just that we all are here today. We wanted media to know that you guys are wrong, and we're looking for apology, because it's just like, you just have to think it's a logic, which is not really, like we all know, which is not really truth. So we are here looking for truth, and we are looking for apology from the media. Thank you.
My name is Tenzin Silon, and I am a lecturer of Dalai Lama Institute for Higher Education. Today, here, many Tibetan brothers and sisters, we have gathered here to demand the Indian media to do apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Recently, Indian medias, they have shown such a 5 seconds of the video clip, and they haven't investigated the rest of the video, complete video or full video. They have shown this in a video, and then they have defamed His Holiness the Dalai Lama. So India media, actually in this country, media is the 4th pillar of democracy, but media has misused this power. So media, they have a right to cover any kind of information, but they have a responsibility to tell the people truth, not a fake one. This is I wanted to show. We are here to demand Indian media to apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And today, everybody is talking about the culture. So if we need a culture diversity, we have to respect all the culture diversity, all the cultures. If particular culture does not suit with you, if particular culture does not suit with the Western style, then it becomes a child abuse. Then it becomes a targeted. So therefore, if we truly want a culture diversity, we have to respect all kind of cultures. This is what we want to say. At the same time, Mahatma Gandhi ji always telling that, if somebody is doing injustice in the society, we have to stand up, and we have to do a protest. But he has said that, without having any kind of anger and any kind of aggressive, we have to do our protest based on the non-violence. This is what Gandhiji has taught to us, and we are applying this here. We are doing a peaceful demonstration here. We are demanding those Indian media who have covered this news. We are demanding all of you to apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama.
Hi, my name is Tenzin, and I'm from Arunachal Pradesh, Monpa, from Tawang, and I'm here in Bangalore Freedom Park today. We are supporting His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. We are very hurt today, all the Tibetans and all the Buddhist people, we are hurt. We are really hurt that how can, such a, being a fellow Indian, how can you just say to His Holiness, all defaming him? Just looking at 2 minutes of video, you cannot judge anyone, right? So you should really look at the video once again and see what the message is exactly. You should research before you talk about someone else. You can't judge anyone else looking at just a clip of the video. How do you feel if I look at one of your pictures of a short video and say that you're not good human being? You don't feel good, right? So in the same way, we are also humans. We also have heart, we get hurt and when you say something. So I do really wish all the medias and the celebrity Kangana Ranawat to apologize to all the Buddhist people, and especially to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. We are hurt, and we really want you to apologize to us. All that we are asking you to do is to look at the video once again and see whether is there any anything such as to deframe. I do understand that you might be thinking about the boy's perspective, but the boy himself said, it was a privilege to meet His Holiness the 14th Dalai Lama. He said it is privilege. So if it was an abuse, why would the boy say it is a privilege to meet His Holiness? No one has ever forced him to do that, you know that? So I really wish all the media and Kangana Ranawat, please apologize to us. India is a multicultural country, and I'm an Indian, but I do know the culture of India. And in India, I don't think that the brothers and sisters abuse each other, because in the message His Holiness clearly says to the boy that we are all human brothers and sisters. Does that mean that we abuse our sisters or brothers? I don't think so. So please look at the video again. I'm requesting again. I know I'm sound like repeating again, but I do really want you to apologize to us. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Dechen and I'm Tibetan. Today we came in this protest because we are opposed anti-TV media that has been spread false information, and it has also spread worldwide, whole world, and we want the truth to prevail. Before NDTV put it this short clip, they should go through the whole details, who had put it this video and who had given this video. They should have a proper investigation before they put in their news. And it has been the people are judging with this short clip. I wanted to say that you should watch whole video so that you will understand the small child. They have already expressed how he felt, and also the parents how they felt, how blessed they are. And we the Tibetan, after seeing this, we also want to be that child. We also want the blessing, but he is very blessed. We are very happy to see him that he are very blessed. Even they also express it. So NDTV should apologize for spreading the false information, and even the Hindustan Times and media that has spread the whole narrative of that sexual words, which is very, very hurtful for us, because we believe in our religion and He is a living God of us, and we the Tibetan all respect our religion, so we also want to we also need the respect likewise. So please respect our religion, and please go through our culture and the affection. Just the following Dalai Lama, that the short clip he just did for the affection. He shows the affection in that way in our culture. So grandfatherly, we when we are a child, our parents used to hug and kiss like that only. It has shown. So please don't spread false information just by seeing that short clip, by spreading such hurtful narratives, which is very baseless. Before going through before judging without any proper details of that informations. And even our President Pemba Singh has already, our Tibetan representative have already explained regarding that in Delhi Times media. So please do watch the our President explanation whole video, and the whole video that just the 14th Dalai Lama has, even the children and the parents already expressed how they are blessed. So please do watch before judging anything or before going through any information in details. And we also want the justice and truth to be prevail. So even we also want the media to apologize to our guru, is just the 14th Dalai Lama, who has been promoting whole life by spreading the love, peace and compassion. And we, as a humanity, I'm saying that we can't accuse our guru just by seeing the short clip, because his whole life has been spreading Even I want to share that HS the 14th Dalai Lama is a Nobel Peace Prize member. So imagine he is a holder of that. Why? He is that? Because he only spread love, happiness, and affectionate towards whole world, not only Tibetan, even the whole world as a human being. Because we human being only seek for happiness, and in our life, in this one planet, we only want happiness. So seek information, proper information seek proper information before judging anyone, because he also like loves children. He also loves older people. So he is a very pure soul. So kindly respect our culture, and we also respect your culture. Thank you.
ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಯಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮುನ್ನೂರಿಂದ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಲೈಲಾಮ ಗುರೂಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಕಾರಣ ಇಷ್ಟೇ, ಈ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಏನೋ ಅಪಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಗುರೂಜಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಏಕೆಂದರೆ ಏನೋ ಮಗುವಿನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೋ ಅಪಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸುದ್ದಿ ತಿಳಿಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಸಣ್ಣ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಆ ಥರ ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಯಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಗುರೂಜಿನ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಜುಬಾಜು ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಾಥಾಶ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಡೊನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ. ಇದು ಮೇನ್ ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಅವರು ಈ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅದು ನಮ್ಮ ಈ ರ್ಯಾಲಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿರೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಗೌರವ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ಆ ಥರ ಕಾಣೋ ಗುರೂಜಿನ ಈ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ಅವಮಾನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಯಾಕೆ? ಅದರಿಂದ ಏನು ಲಾಭ ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರಿಗೆ? ಸರಿ, ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಥರ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಮೀಡಿಯಾದವರು ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋದು, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರು ಧರ್ಮ ಗುರು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ.
Hello everyone, I'm Nima Samu, and I want to share why I participate today's protest. As you know, past 1 week there are like so many false and so many toxic news spread all over the world regarding like those who are spreading the news, they didn't do proper research. I just want to request those NTTV and Hindustan, you should do a proper research and please apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. It will really impact our emotion, because His Holiness Dalai Lama is a living Buddha for us. Naming him like all these baseless and bad news, and you should apologize to His Holiness the Dalai Lama. Thank you.
जिंदाबाद 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 बेके फेंको बेके फेंको बेके फेंको बेके फेंको एनडीटीवी 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 मीडिया 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 इंडिया टीवी इंडिया टीवी मीडिया 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 जिंदाबाद 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 बेके फेंको बेके फेंको बेके फेंको wrong left wrong left wrong left बेके फेंको बेके फेंको wrong left wrong left माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो जिंदाबाद 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 एनडीटीवी 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 मीडिया 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 माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो माफी मांगो माफी मांगो मीडिया वाले माफी मांगो wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama 사망하서 되겠던데 야리 무채 곳에 튀어내 튀어 대마쇼 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 जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद 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 Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद 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 Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद wrong left Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद बेके फेंको नया फेंको बेके फेंको नया फेंको बेके फेंको नया फेंको wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama बेके फेंको नया फेंको बेके फेंको नया फेंको shame shame मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame एनडीटीवी shame shame एनडीटीवी shame shame हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स shame shame इंडिया टीवी shame shame इंडिया टीवी shame shame इंडिया टीवी shame shame टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया shame shame टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया shame shame टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया shame shame मीडिया मीडिया shame shame मीडिया मीडिया shame shame wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama बेके फेंको नया फेंको बेके फेंको नया फेंको जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद 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 Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद बेके फेंको नया फेंको बेके फेंको नया फेंको shame shame मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame एनडीटीवी shame shame एनडीटीवी shame shame एनडीटीवी shame shame हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स shame shame हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स shame shame हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स shame shame wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama shame shame मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame NDTV shame shame NDTV shame shame Hindustan shame shame Hindustan shame shame Hindustan shame shame जिंदाबाद जिंदाबाद Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद 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 Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद 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 Dalai Lama जिंदाबाद wrong left Dalai Lama shame shame मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame we need justice we need justice shame shame मीडिया shame wrong left Dalai Lama wrong left Dalai Lama shame shame मीडिया shame 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 मीडिया shame wrong left Dalai Lama we want justice we Shame, shame.
mane peme o 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 mane 나를 남다도 수량이 스무게 시방그 시내배가 야수